Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Factors affecting enzyme activity. Enzymes can be isolated from cells and their properties studied in vitro. Different enzymes show different responses to change in concentration of substrate, temperature, and pH. Enzymes' responses to these factors give us a valuable clues as to how the enzymes function in living cells. As regards as a substrate concentration, the maximum velocity, the rate or a velocity of a reaction is the number of substrate molecules converted into a product per unit time. Velocity is usually expressed in micromoles of a product that is formed per minute. Rate of an enzyme catalyzed reaction increase with a concentration substrate concentration until a maximum velocity is reached. The leveling of the reaction rate at high concentration reflects the saturation with substrates of all available binding sites on the enzyme molecules. Hyperbolic shape of the enzyme kinetic curves. Most of the enzyme shows a Most of the enzymes show Michaelis-Menten kinetics in which the plot of initial velocity against the concentration of substrate is hyperbolic, similar in shape to that of the oxygen dissociation curve of myoglobin. In contrast, an allosteric enzyme do not follow the Michaelis-Menten kinetics and show a sigmoidal curve similar in shape to the oxygen dissociation curve of hemoglobin. Effect of temperature. Increase of reaction velocity with temperature. Rate reaction velocity increases with the temperature until a peak velocity is reached. This increase in the result of the number of molecules having a sufficient energy to pass over the energy barriers and form a product of the reaction. The reaction velocity, the rate of reaction decreases with higher temperature. Further elevation of temperature results in a decrease in reaction velocity as the result of the temperature-induced denaturation of the enzyme. Optimum temperature for most of the human enzymes is between 35 and 40 Celsius. Human enzymes starts denatured at temperature above 40 Celsius, but thermophilic bacteria found in the host spring have optimum temperature of about 70 Celsius. Look at the figure, the graph between the temperature and the rate of reaction. The bell-shaped curve is going to be established. It shows that the optimum temperature for the human is just close between 30 and 40 Celsius. pH. Effect of pH. Effect of pH on the ionization of the active sites, the concentration of hydrogen ions, reaction velocity in several that affects the reaction velocity in several ways. First, the catalytic process usually required that the enzymes and substrate have a specific chemical group in either an ionized or unionized state in order to interact. For example, catalytic activity may require that an amino group of an enzyme be in a protonated form. At alkaline pH, this group is in deprotonated form and the rate of reaction therefore declines. Increase, it means the increase in proteination protons and the decrease in protons may affect on the rate of enzymes activity. Effect of pH on enzyme denaturation. Extremes of pH can also lead to a denaturation of the enzyme because the saturation because the structure of the catalytic activity of protein molecules depend upon the ionic character of the amino acid side chains. It should be noted that the pH varies from different enzymes. The pH at which the maximum enzyme activity and often reflect the hydrogen ion concentration at which the enzymes function in the body. For example, pepsin, a digestive enzyme in the stomach, is maximum active at pH 2, whereas the other enzymes designed to work at a neutral pH are denatured by such an acidic environment. Now, the effect of enzymes concentration. In the beginning, the velocity of the enzymatic reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of substrate. If we double the concentration of enzyme, the rate of reaction should be doubled. We if the concentration of enzyme becomes half, the rate of reaction also becomes half. Now the effect of product concentration. Product formed as a result of an enzyme reaction may accumulate, and this excess of product may lower the enzyme reaction by occupying the active site of the enzymes. It is possible that under certain conditions the increased concentration of product, a reverse reaction may be favored, forming a back to substrate. Effect of activators and coenzymes. As we already know, these activators and coenzymes, they are non-protein in nature. They facilitate the rate of reaction. The activity of certain enzymes is greatly dependent on metalloins activators as well as coenzymes, which are the derivatives of vitamin B complex. Number 7. Effect of modulators and inhibitors. Whenever the activity is not available for the binding, whenever the active site is not available for the binding site of the substrate, the enzyme activity may be reduced. Substances which stops or modify the enzyme reactions are called inhibitors or modulators. Presence of these substances in reactant medium can adversely affect the rate of the enzyme reaction. Now, number 8, the effect of time. The time required for completion of an enzyme, however, under the optimum condition of pH and temperature for enzyme reaction, that should be less. From Lippincott, page number 57, 58, Chatterjee, page number 126 to 127. How does the temperature and pH influence the enzyme activity?